Hi Mr. Parker, it's Alexander speaking from Mitchell Skoda. Just a quick video just to show you the extent of the repairs that are required on your vehicle. Just showing you the vehicle at the moment in the state that we have it in our workshop here. Ignore the battery charger on there, just keeping the charge up in the battery there while we'll be doing the work on the vehicle. The assortment of parts are here drying out on your vehicle. The root cause of the issue is the sunroof drain tube. Just going to show you now inside the vehicle. Currently we have the vehicle stripped, so all the headlining is out of the vehicle, all stripped down with all the trims off, showing all the bare bones of the vehicle here. So the root cause is this orange tube that we can see here, pointing to just here. So this is the sunroof drain tube, and this is the tube that's been blocked. The water is pulled back over the sunroof cassette and has been running down here and over the associated trims. So this airbag here is your curtain airbag, which has been sopping in water. The water itself has been pulling down the trim that's missing down here, and then coming underneath here. Now this is the floor of your vehicle. The black item that you can see here is part of the soundproof in the vehicle. You can see that it's all mouldy, been sopping in water there. You can see a section of the wiring loom which is running underneath here to one of the control units here. These have all been underwater. So this is why I'm saying there that obviously until they're replaced, don't know the condition of them. At the moment, the dashboard is still in the vehicle. We haven't removed anything there, but what we can see on your radio display, there's evidence that there's been water inside of it. It's a little bit difficult to show you now after a few days of it being stripped and being in the workshop, but there was condensation actually in the screen. And again, it's hard to show you, but the actual screen has started to bow with the condensation that's in there, which is why we're recommending to replace that so that you've got everything working there. As you reported there, some of the electric windows aren't working correctly. Whether any water has got inside of the doors, I wouldn't have thought so, but it is a possibility. But with this wiring loom being damaged, this is all the wiring for the whole vehicle, so there's numerous of items in there in the vehicle that could well be at fault. Showing you the rest of the vehicle, as you can see, of how far we've had to strip the vehicles. A lot of the components are piled in the back there just to keep them safe and not damaged while in the workshop. But the wiring loom for the vehicle literally routes through the whole vehicle. So it is quite a comprehensive repair that's required. To show you the damage to the carpets, this is the carpet outside of the vehicle here. So as we're looking at it now, there we are. The bottom left corner is the passenger front footwell. That's the one that's had all the water on it. If you can just see, if I zoom in a little bit here, this is all the mould that's sort of inside the vehicle there. So the carpet is mouldy and it has a bit of a smell to it there. This is the driver's side, which it comes all as part of one unit, which is why we've had to take it out to dry it off and to expose all the work that's required. And then this item here is the soundproofing. So this is what I was saying about the soundproofing underneath the vehicle. Underneath the carpet in between the body of the vehicle. On the right-hand side is the passenger side. On the left-hand side is the driver's side. You can see they're actually two different colours because the mould has got that bad that it's even discoloured it there. Showing to your headlining, which is currently in our workshop there, and that has been stained as well. So that would require replacement to repair the vehicle. As requested, I'll send you some estimates of the work that's required. Please be aware, obviously, that there are estimates that there is a potential for more work required, depending on what additional we find when we start removing the wiring loom of the vehicle there. And also, you've asked for some images as well, so I'll send those across to you. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.